Saya na guys, ready to serve ang ato ang para dinner. Saya natapos na rin tayo sa pagluto. Saya guys, oh, ready na. So ayan yung mga menu nila guys para sa dinner. You know, fried stuffed chicken with mozzarella cheese melt and mushroom. Ito ang meatballs with 3 cheese melt. So, fried fish fillet with garlic and pepper sauce. Ito rin naman ang stir fried vegetable with oyster sauce. Ito yung rice. So, yung rice guys, ito ang sago, mango sago. So, ayan lang guys, ayan. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Kainan na.